Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you how to change your Duolingo profile picture on your mobile phone. So in your mobile phone, you cannot really upload an image or a file, but you can create or select your avatar to be your profile picture. So to do that, the first thing that you need to do is you have to go ahead and open your Duolingo application in your mobile phone. And of course, you have to log in to your account. Okay, now that you're here, just click on this profile icon right here. Okay, this one. And then click on this plus icon right here in your avatar. Okay, so in this section, you can select the skin tone of your avatar and then the eyes or the eye color. Okay, so let's go with the block and then the style of your hair. Okay, you can also select the color for your hair and then in your facial hair as well. Okay, so it's up to you to choose the colors or the accessories for your avatar, and then after that just have to click on done and then click on done to save your changes. Okay, then after that you have now your new profile picture that is your avatar. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.